Looking for a substitute for banana in banana bread? We have the best options for you. And we will even discuss when and how to use them. But first, it is important to understand what the functions are of bananas in baking before choosing an appropriate substitute. And we will also have a look at substitutions for some other banana bread ingredients. Functions of banana in banana bread. First and foremost, bananas add flavor to the baked item. It is essentially what makes banana bread the delicious treat that it is. Using real bananas instead of extracts or essences adds a much more powerful and authentic flavor. Furthermore, bananas act as a binding ingredient in batters. This is why you will often see people substitute eggs in baking with ripe bananas. Bananas have a ton of fibers that helps hold different ingredients together. And it also helps that ripe banana contain a ton of moisture. Moisture is essential for baking cakes and bread. But it also helps create specific textures and mouthfeels. For example, adding some ripe bananas will help tenderize the bread and give it that soft and spongy texture we have come to love. Choosing a substitute. Firstly, you have to consider what you are substituting. If you run out of bananas but still want the banana-like flavor, you will have to add some banana extract, concentrate, or essence. Substituting flavor. There are 3 options to choose from: an extract, a concentrate, or an essence. A concentrate or extract will have the best and most authentic flavor. Essences are more diluted and you will have to use more. Substituting the binding abilities. The best binding ingredient substitutes for bananas include applesauce, eggs, other pureed fruit, and chia seeds. Substituting moisture. In this case, you have to choose equally moist ingredients. If you are using chia seeds, as an example, while they will help bind the ingredients together, they won't add sufficient moisture to help prevent the banana bread from being dry. So, a better option would be a fruit puree that has a similar consistency to ripe mashed bananas. Another fantastic option is applesauce. It will help bind the ingredients together while adding moisture. Best substitute for banana in banana bread. Banana flavoring. Regardless of which substitute you are choosing, if you still want the banana flavor, you will have to add some form of banana flavoring. Applesauce. This is an extremely common substitute for ripe mashed bananas. They are similar in consistency and moisture content. Furthermore, you can easily flavor applesauce with banana extract, chia seeds, or flax seeds. Both of these seeds have incredible thickening abilities. First, grind the seeds into a fine powder. Then, combine 1 tablespoon of ground seeds with 2½ tablespoons of water. Stir the ingredient together and allow them to thicken for roughly 5 minutes. Pureed fruit. Instead of applesauce, you can substitute every medium banana with 1/4 cup of pureed fruit. To make this fruit mixture, simply cook some cut fruit of your choice before blending it into a puree. Eggs. You can use egg whites or whole eggs as a substitute for bananas in banana bread. 1 large egg replaces 1 banana. Silken tofu. Tofu is a fantastic vegan substitute that is easy to use. Simply blend some tofu and use an equal amount in volume. Tips and tricks. You can substitute some eggs with bananas. 1 large egg is equivalent to 1 medium-ripe banana. Use the chia or flax seed mixtures. 1 mixture of chia seed thickener will substitute for 1 large egg. If you are using granulated sugar, try sticking to granulated substitutes. If you are using liquid sweeteners, like honey, then again, try sticking to similar liquid sweeteners, like syrup. Shortening can only really be substituted with real butter or vegan butter. Liquid fats will completely change the consistency of the batter and will produce a completely different product. Sour cream can easily be substituted with buttermilk, cream cheese, or even homemade sour cream. To make your own, simply combine 1 cup of cream with 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or vinegar. Allow the mixture to sit for a bit before whisking it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.